Hey everyone, this is Tejas, one of the founders of Hightouch, and today I'm going to be chatting about how we've improved our splits capability in Hightouch. So for anyone who doesn't know, splits is a feature within Hightouch's Customer Studio that allows marketers to run experiments across channels without writing a line of SQL. Most marketing platforms have features around experimentation or A/B testing in them, but the really cool part about splits is that since Hightouch connects from your data warehouse to 200 plus different marketing platforms, email platforms, omnichannel platforms, ad platforms, etc., kind of downstream, you can actually run tests and experiments across different platforms from the data warehouse with Hightouch. So for example, you can test the effectiveness of running targeted ads on something like Google Ads versus TikTok, all through Hightouch's splits feature. Now I'll hand it over to David from our product team to show how we've made splits easier and better than ever before for use for experimentation.
Hey everyone, my name is David and I'm our product lead for Customer Studio. Super excited to be showing you our UI revamp for splits. To get us started, we have this audience called abandoned cart, which is anyone that's added an item to cart in the last day, but has not yet completed an order. You can define any audience you want here, whether it's high LTV users or those that haven't made a purchase yet. To get us started with setting up our split groups, all we do is jump over to the split tab and press enable split groups. By default, we have a 20% holdout group and an 80% treatment. This holdout group is not synced anywhere, but we do store this audience membership back in your warehouse so we can run performance and measurement analytics for it after your experimentation. We have this treatment, which is being synced right now to both Google Ads and Facebook. If we wanted to get more advanced, we can add custom split groups and adjust their percentages. So we're going to set up an experiment today, a multivariate one, where the first treatment is going to be synced to only Facebook, and we'll set that at 30%. We're going to set up another treatment called only Google, which is also 30%. And then finally, one for both, which we'll set as 30% as well. And then we'll jump back to this holdout group and decrease that to 10. To quickly verify we've set this up correctly, one of our key new features is these connecting lines between the split group and the sync. And as you hover over this both split group, for example, we can see that it's synced to both Google and Facebook, whereas this Google split group is synced only to Google.
We're really excited to share these improvements to the Hightouch splits feature. We have so many more product releases and enhancements to the product coming in the next few months, so stay tuned for more updates.